12 days of vlogmas day 3, but this might actually just be day 2 because yesterday I really didn't do anything. So, and I be forgetting to vlog, honestly. We did actually do some stuff in the night when my sister and her best friend came, but I forgot to vlog. So, but yeah, today's day 2 or 3, don't know yet. And today is my niece's birthday party, so we're setting up. I have to fix my hair and, you know, finish decorating, stuff like that. But I'm gonna try to remember to vlog everything, well, most things. And yeah, that's it. I don't know, it's only my 3rd day out here.
Yeah. It's only my 3rd day out here, I don't know.
Yo, shit. No, but seriously, it is.
I saw that booger. Here. Yum. Yum.
We'll be back.
That's my sister Evelyn.
Hey, hello.
Hi. My coworker Daniel.
Wow. See the bouncy? What? See the bouncy house? Guys, this thing is my spirit animal. I freaking love this. I want it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. And look at this little thing. Here's today's quick breakfast. I'm too lazy to make anything for real, and I got to go to do stuff, so this is what I'm eating. Outfit of the day. If you guys didn't notice, the theme was tutus and bow ties for guys. I didn't know this tutu was this short. Like, bro, I ordered it from Amazon. Look how short it is. It looks like a little girl's tutu. I'm about to change these leggings because they will not stay up. Oh, and it lights up. Where's the thingy? It really didn't come out that bad for something I did last minute.
Okay, can you light it?
All right. Thank you all for coming and enjoying this day with us to celebrate Maya Love's 1st birthday. Yay!
Clap, clap, clap.
My family flew from New York. My mom. Yay! My sister Margaret. Yay! Evelyn. Yay! Best friend Tamara. Yay! Where's Skylar? Where's Skylar? Yay! New Yorkers. And then of course we got our 4.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Blow, mama. Blow, blow.
She remember it.
Yeah, she remembers. Yeah, she had her first fire experience. So. All right.
Blow,
Isaiah.
I'll blow it.
No. 1, 2, 3.
Blow.
No, she was looking down. Yeah. Okay.
My. You need to look, because she's going to look.
Yeah.
My.
There you go. She's actually looking.
Yeah.
Look. Look at you. The kitties are outside. I'm not putting that. We're going on a Christmas walk. Apparently there's a Santa Claus that lives on this block. I mean, not a Santa Claus, the Santa Claus. He lives on this block, so we're going to go see him. And I'm gonna go ask for my new camera. And what else do I want? I don't know. I want everything. Money. Give me money.
Look at this. No, these ones. No, you know what? Are you not cold?
December 4, the lower house.
Stop.
These little two are trying to run away. They on their own trip over here. Look, now I'm chaperoning.
Hello. Hi. How are you? Good. How are you?
Oh, wow. That's so nice. Oops, sorry.
Take your shoes off. This is someone
I am taking my shoes off. Thank you. Uh-oh, without jacket? Found. Okay. Evan, you can get behind them.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. This is a beautiful idea. 1.
keep the markers, but you are allowed to keep the drawing. Yeah. Let's see what I can draw. I'm writing my name. I'm kidding. Don't come back here. I'll put a shelf. No, I never read one. Well, I'm gonna get one. You never get one? Yeah.
You're gonna get what?
Because you know the elf on the shelf tells Santa if I'm being good or bad.
Is this a mixing bowl? Or what?
Yeah, it's